Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ramani. All right, quick disclaimer. I did just do my nighttime skincare routine, so I might look a little oily, but I wanted to get this video out for you because summer is basically tomorrow. Summer is in like 24 days. And if you've been watching my channel or you follow me on Instagram, then you know I have been putting in the work. I've been walking, I've been drinking my water, I've been eating healthy, and the results are resulting. I literally posted some photos 2 days ago and everybody was in the comments like body is tea, body is tea, body is banging. And y'all know I always got to put y'all on. I love a good weight loss video. So today we are going to be talking about the 3 things that I would do if I personally was trying to lose 20 pounds as quick as possible. Now, I already know people are going to be like,
this is not sustainable, blah, blah, blah.
I want you to know that losing weight does not have to be that difficult. Do not listen to people who say that it has to take a long time. Losing weight is going to happen when you are ready to put in the work. When you're actually ready to change your body and you actually change your daily habits, your body has no choice but to fall in line and do what it needs to do. Now, I'm definitely not giving you any fad diets. Like, this is literally what I already do. I'm just telling you what I do. So it's definitely sustainable because I literally do it every single day. I do not miss days. All right, so the first thing that I would do if I was trying to lose 20 pounds as quick as possible is replace the sides of my food, like of my lunch and my dinner. I would replace the sides with raw vegetables. This has been such a game changer for me, and I've talked about this in previous videos. Eating raw fruits and vegetables literally transformed my body. And I'm a creature of habit, so I eat the same vegetables and fruits over and over again, but you can also switch it up. Now, for me, typically a dinner that I would like to eat is a piece of salmon with some raw vegetables that include bell peppers. I literally eat a bell pepper at least 5 times a week, a raw bell pepper, and I'll just cut the whole thing up. I might add some avocado. I love bell peppers and avocados and salmon. For some reason, that meal really slims me down. Sometimes I add cucumber. It really just depends on what I buy from the grocery store, but for the most part, I'm always going to get bell peppers. I'm always going to get avocados. It doesn't have to be a small portion either. Like, if you're hungry, eat, because these are raw vegetables, raw fruits, so you're not going to gain weight from this. So you see how I'm not giving you any unrealistic advice. I'm not telling you eat at 3 p.m., eat at 5 p.m. Eat what you would normally eat when you are normally going to eat. But instead of fries with your chicken, have raw vegetables with your chicken. Instead of potatoes with your steak, have raw vegetables with your steak. And again, it can be any vegetables that you want. And I know you're probably going to be like,
Oh my God, can I cook the vegetables?
I just said eat it raw. And I also don't want you to forget that you can season your vegetables. I'm a personal trainer and a yoga instructor, and whenever I am giving people some advice, they're like, it doesn't taste good, I'm not seasoning it. Why aren't you using seasonings? I don't understand. If it doesn't taste good, make it taste good. I hate to be harsh, but I really want you to use your better judgment here. If something does not taste good, of course you can add salt and paprika and garlic powder, onion powder, all the things, but I'm telling you to figure out what vegetables you like to eat and then chop them up. You can even make a salad. I just don't be feeling like making salads. I don't know. Adding lettuce just always seems like going the extra mile that I'm not willing to do, but I will chop up all my vegetables and I will eat it with some protein. And that is literally all you're going to have. You're not going to do rice. You're not going to do potatoes. You're not going to do any type of starch or bread. You're literally going to have the protein. You're going to have the raw vegetables, and you're going to do that for all your meals. Bonus tip, I do have a lot of smoothies. I talk about smoothies a lot because smoothies really get me through. It's so easy for me to make. It takes like 5 minutes to make, and it's just so packed with nutrients and protein. So if I absolutely needed to lose those 20 pounds, I would have my protein with my raw vegetables, and then I would have smoothies. That is what I would eat. That is what I eat, but that is what I would be eating. And again, switch it up, give it variety. It doesn't have to be boring, but you need to adhere to that because that is going to get the weight off of you. The next thing that I would do is only drink water. This is something that I already do. I try to drink at least 2 to 3 Stanley cups per day, and throughout the day I always have hot tea, and I just drink my tea regular. I used to put a lot of honey and different things in my tea, but I've just learned to drink regular tea. but I would say just only drink water right now. Drink it when you wake up, drink it throughout the day, drink it before you go to bed. Just drink water all throughout the day. It is going to make you full and it is going to fight those cravings. And you can honestly just lose weight from drinking water alone. That is literally how I started my weight loss journey. When I did not know where to begin, I knew that I was drinking too much sugar because I would have a Mountain Dew every single day. I am not talking about maybe once in a while. No, every single day I would have a Mountain Dew. I knew I wanted to lose weight, but I didn't know what workouts to do. I didn't know what to eat. So I said, let me cut out the Mountain Dew. Let me drink water all week. So for an entire week, I didn't drink anything but water and I lost 3 pounds. I didn't change the way that I ate. I didn't do anything special, but I drank water and I didn't drink sugar. So if you are drinking a lot of sugar, then water is going to be your best friend. This means if you're drinking frappuccinos, matcha lattes, Don Julio shots, pina coladas, anything that you can think of that is not water, cut it out. And the last thing I would do is walk more. I would move my body more and I would get my steps in. Right now, I am doing 75 hard, and my 75 hard personally consists of me getting 10,000 steps a day in. I'm not necessarily saying that you have to get 10,000 steps a day, especially if you're not close to that right now. You're gonna burn yourself out trying to get 10,000 steps a day. But I am saying that you need to move more. This means you need to take walks throughout your day when you have the time. Or you need to park your car further away so that you have somewhere to walk. You need to make time to walk. I know that a lot of people say that they don't have time to do certain things. You have to make time to do the things that are going to change your life, or you are always going to be in the same space that you are in right now. You're always going to be unhappy with yourself and with your body, and you're not going to be able to lose the weight if you keep making excuses. So you need to find some time to walk. Walking changed my life tremendously. I'm just a religious walker. Notice how I didn't say anything about working out or weight training or yoga. You can always add in different modalities of fitness, but walking is going to be the holy grail. I don't know what it is about walking. You can lose weight with working out, but walking is going to it's just a game changer. You have to experience it. I can't explain it. All right, let's do a quick recap before we end the video. Number 1, you are going to replace all of the sides that you're eating with raw vegetables, your favorite raw vegetables, and you're going to season them so that they taste good. If they don't taste good, make them taste good, because this is going to be a game changer for your body. Number 2, you're only going to drink water. You're going to let the sugary drinks go. You're going to let the alcohol go. You're going to let the unnecessary sugary calories go. Number 3, you're going to walk more. You are going to make time in your day and in your calendar to walk. You're going to take yourselves on walks. You're going to park away from the door so that you have somewhere to walk. You're going to walk around your house. You're going to walk in your backyard. You are going to get your steps in for at least 30 minutes to an hour a day. Like, don't just walk for 10 minutes and be like, okay, I'm done. No, you have to walk a significant amount of time. So I'm going to say minimum 30 minutes you need to be walking. Minimum. All right, that is all for this video. I promise if you follow these 3 steps, your body is going to look unrecognizable if you stay consistent. You have to stay consistent. Now, if you made it to the end of this video, of course, I want you to leave me a brown heart in the comments. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up just so, you know, the algorithm can push my video out to more people. And I'm also going to leave my weight loss playlist down below so that you can watch more content like this. And if you want to download my 30-day weight loss plan, that is going to be in the description box. Everything is going to be in the description box per usual. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.